Legal myth number two is that once I build on a land, I will own it. This is about land ownership lies, and people assume in town that when they claim to be the owner of a land and they quickly build the property or the house on the land, the court will declare them as the owner. When they build a structure to pass a particular level of the building, the court would grant the right of ownership of the property in their favor. It is wrong. It is not legally correct. The law is that every landed property transaction or every land transaction in Ghana must be in writing, unless the law expressly excludes that transaction from writing. And when we talk about these exclusions, we are talking about transactions that are customarily related. It is a customary law transaction. It is not expected to be in writing. And we're also talking about a rent or a lease of property for a period less than 3 years. Those instances and some other instances, you are not expected to have it in writing. But in all other instances, a landed property transaction or land transaction must always be in writing to be effective and to be legal. So if you don't have a written lease, assignment, or sublease for your land, you are not the owner, or you do not have an interest in it. Even if you go ahead to build a house on the property, you could see that many people have their buildings demolished because they rushed to build on the property, thinking that once they are done with the construction work, the court will pronounce them the owners, or equity will come in to say that it is not fair to demolish the property he has constructed from the scratch all the way to the roofing level. The court will not say that. So if it is not yours by legal documents, the fact that you built on it does not
make it legal.